Hey Spuds, I just wanted to do a quick review of noun-adjective agreement. For this presentation, I'm going to be using the clothing and colors vocabulary from our new chapter. If you haven't studied them already, you can do so at Quizlet.com. I will post a link in the comments below. Let's go ahead and start the review. First off, we need to remember that every noun and adjective has at least two qualities that are super important: the number and the gender. Now, by number, it's simple. Is there one or is there more than one? Is it singular or is it plural? Gender is masculine and feminine. And for objects, this is kind of a random assignment. Now, what that gives us is we have four sections. We have a masculine singular, masculine plural, feminine singular, and feminine plural. Now, most nouns only have an assigned gender, but they can be either singular or plural. For example, el gorro is a winter hat. Los gorros, the winter hats or stocking hats, are both masculine nouns, while la blusa or las blusas are feminine nouns. And you'll notice there's a singular version and a plural version. Some nouns, though, like calcetin, is really hard to remember if they're masculine or feminine, which is why I always encourage my students to memorize the articles that go with them. If you memorize the article, you would know that it is los calcetines, which is a masculine noun. The singular version being el calcetín. For example, in the picture there, we have tengo un calcetín anaranjado. I have one orange sock. Now, adjectives have neither an assigned number nor an assigned gender. They can switch to match whatever they're modifying. For example, the modifier for red is rojo, which is the masculine singular, but we also have masculine plural, rojos, feminine singular, roja, and feminine plural, rojas. And that adjective changes to match whatever it's describing. Some adjectives look like they only have one gender. For example, blue is azul. And students think, oh, which gender is it? It matches both genders. So whether we're modifying something masculine, we use azul. If we're modifying something feminine, we can use azul. It does have a plural form, azules. The same can be said for verde, green, or gris for gray. So before I continue, let's do a little about word order. English word order, we like to have our article, then our adjective, then our noun. For example, here we have the white hat. Now, Spanish likes to do things a little differently. They have the article, then the noun, and then the adjective. El sombrero blanco. It's not a huge deal, but it is something that we need as English speakers to try and remember. They're in essence giving the sentence, the hat white. When speaking, the noun or adjective has to agree or match in gender and number with whatever it's modifying. For example, the black pants. Now, if you've studied your words, you might know that pants is los pantalones and black is negro. What we need to remember, though, is the word order difference. Spanish will be saying the pants black. So first we have los pantalones, and then we follow that with negros. Now you'll notice that negros is in the plural because what it is modifying, pants, is plural. Pants are also masculine, and we can tell that from its article los. Here we have a red dress. The red dress, as Spanish would like to say, the dress red. If you've studied your words, you'll know that dress is el vestido, and red is rojo. Now, el vestido is a masculine noun, so we use the masculine modifier rojo. In this case, it's singular, and we end up with el vestido rojo. Here we have a nice orange t-shirt. Go Spuds. The orange t-shirt, Spanish, the t-shirt, orange. So we look up our word t-shirt, la camiseta, and orange, anaranjada. Orange is a feminine word here because la camiseta is a feminine word. Here we have some purple jackets, right? Sweet. Spanish word order they like to use will be the jackets purple. So we end up with las chaquetas moradas. Now the word purple, morado, is feminine and plural because chaquetas is both feminine and plural. So that is the nuts or bolts of matching your gender and your number between your noun and your modifier. If you want to study vocabulary, there's a link to Quizlet. I've also made a Quizlet with all of our clothing and all of our colors mixed and matched if you want to practice making phrases. I'll go ahead and post these links in the comments below. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.